How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be trying to code Pong as a terminal game in C++. Now I'm kind of new to C++ coding. I know like a lot of the basics and stuff, but not too much. But I think this should be a simple enough game where I should be able to make it, and I just want to share this with you guys because I think it would be pretty cool. So let's start by making a grid, I guess. Okay, so I'm just starting up here making a new function. We're calling it makeGrid because I'm gonna be making a grid. So let's just start out with some variables. First off, grid size. Let's make that a constant. And let's set that equal to, for now, let's do 30. Okay, so now I'm just going to make a couple other variables that I need to generate a grid. And I think now we can start generating it, so we'll use a for loop. Grid x equals 0. Actually, grid y equals 0. And then we'll do grid size. Wait, no, grid y is less than. And then we'll do grid y is less than grid size. Perfect. And then we'll do grid y plus plus. And then we'll make another for loop, and we'll just repeat what's up there. And then we'll just print a 0 to the screen for the grid. Alright, this should make a grid. Bro, what? Oh, I see what's going on here. Now this should work, because I have this in my main. Oh, I see what I did wrong. You need to do a new line, like down here. Okay, so now it should print a grid. There we go. There's a grid. But you'll notice it's kind of an ugly looking grid. So let's actually make a new variable here. This will be grid size x, and then this can be grid size y. And grid size y will equal grid size x divided by 2. And then we need to make this grid size y. And we need to make this grid size x. And we'll run it again. And there you go, much better grid. So now let's work on making a border around this grid. So to make a border, we'll just go up here and make an if statement. And we'll do if grid y equals 0. Then print a hash. Crap, I gotta make this an else. Alright, this should work now. And there you go, it just makes the top line of hashes. Now we can do an OR here. We can do grid y equals grid size. Wait, which one? Grid size y. Perfect. Okay, so I actually had to do grid y minus 1, but it worked, so here we go. We got the top and the bottom. Now we'll do another OR, and we'll do grid x equals, which one is this one? I think 0. And then we'll do another OR, and we'll do grid x equals grid size x. Okay, it's actually grid size x minus 1. And there we go, we got a border of hashes. Let's get rid of this and replace it with a space to make it easier to see. And there you go. Okay, so I think that's going to do it for episode 1 of making Pong in C++. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Yeah, that's basically it. Bye.